Hey guys, welcome back. Another Get Ready With Me, this time for the Huda Beauty party. This is the launch of their Mercury Retrograde palette. So I've got like a galactic outfit and I'm gonna try the palette out for the first time. I've had it for like 2 weeks, to be honest, but I get so many products that I just don't get the chance to try things properly. So I thought for her event, I'll try it out on my face. And I wanna do something a little bit different. Like I wanna bring it down over my cheeks. This girl does really cool looks, Antoinette. Check out her page. See how it kind of comes down over her cheeks? Is there another example? I don't know, like that. She's got colors all over her face, not just on her eyes. So I want to try something similar to that. She's really great to follow, really creative with colors and all that kind of thing. So I thought I would try something out. And the Huda Mercury Retrograde palette, I feel like is going to be really good for all that because of all the nice shades in there. Nice kind of soft colors generally, but really cool sparkles. So I'm excited to have a go. I think first I'm going to moisturize and I'm going to use this Lancome Absolute. Guys, this is such a nice plush moisturizing cream. And I feel like I've said this a bazillion times, but LA air is so dry that I'm now a moisturizer hoe. Oh, I've got a cold. It's really annoying. So if my eyes look red or watery, that's why. Okay, so that's on, and then I'm gonna use my foundation. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin, the full coverage one. Really small amount on my finger. I'll dab it, dab, 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 just on one side of my face because it sets. So quick, all right. Quickly, eyebrows as well. Which color? 4.5 or 6? Not 6. So I'm gonna take the Benefit Brow Styler. So this is the dual-ended one. So it's got the little powder, like a dip powder with a doe foot there. And I'm gonna just use that to fill in the eyebrows. There's a helicopter like right outside my house. They're not leaving. I tried to just wait if they would stop, but what the hell? Okay, so maybe there's a fugitive on the loose, I don't know. But anyways, so now I'm gonna take the pencil end and kind of like draw my eyebrow hairs up. And then along the edge of them. As you can see, that looks a bit harsh, so I just go over it with my brush. Ta-da! Brow styler on, I'm gonna use my Ready Set Brow by Benefit as well, just to push the eyebrow hairs up. I want the hairs to be coming up over the edge. I really want to try brow lamination. I'm gonna put a little bit of lip balm for later when I get there. This is the Smith & Colt Locked and Lit CBD. I've been quite enjoying it. So that's there marinating while I do the rest of my makeup. Now I think I'm gonna take the palette, I'm gonna get a primer. So I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And I really like that they brought back the wand, but it's still in the squeezy tube, so. Because for a while they just did the squeezy tube and the wand is just way better. I remember it used to be in a wand, but it was in like a hard bottle. And I remember there were all these YouTube tutorials on like how to cut open your Urban Decay Primer Potion to get the end bit out. But back then I couldn't even buy Urban Decay Primer Potion because it wasn't in Australia. All right, there are so many sirens. There were literally 2 helicopters like hovering out the front of my house before someone has done something naughty and they're chasing someone. There's a fugitive out there tonight. That's a bit scary. Hide your kids, hide your wife. What am I gonna do though, guys? Should I do purple, or I kind of always do purple, don't I? Well, I just primed. I think I'm gonna put concealer on under my eyes. This is the Il Makiage concealer. It's called Fuck I'm Flawless. I'm gonna do concealer first because if I'm gonna bring my eyeshadow like down the sides of my face and stuff, I feel like it should probably be done, right? Concealer's really easy to blend. Okay, we're gonna have a bit of fun with it, you know? Huda also gave me these 3 brushes that were in like a cute little pouch. So I'm gonna try to use these for the look. I'm gonna start out with this one because it's the biggest, fluffiest one. I'm doing the blown out colors. I feel like that'll be best. I'm gonna start out with a really big brush. I'm gonna take Momentum first. And I'm gonna pat that over my lid. Just so that there's no grip for when I'm trying to blend the colors out. For me, that's kind of my skin tone, so it works for me. If you have a deeper skin tone, you could use like Crash, Karma, or maybe even your favorite setting powder instead of that. Then I'm gonna take Utopia, which is this soft peachy pink. I'm gonna blend that in here. Using an Old Face halo, I'm just gonna clean off so there's nothing in that brush. And then Libra on the outer half of the eye. That's so pretty. Okay, a little bit of this gorgeous supernova color. It kind of, I don't know why it's not showing as it. It's reflecting as purple, but from certain angles it matches the peach that we applied first. I'm gonna put that like here over the top and just kind of focus it in a certain spot and then let it like disperse. Like I'm really nestling it in the corner and then letting it come out. Once again, clean off the brush, and then we're gonna take Ultraviolet. And Ultraviolet is this really gorgina purple here. Ooh, can't wait to put this on. Where should I put that on? Ooh, it's not coming off. Oh yeah, it's all right. You just gotta kind of swipe it firmly. Must be really wet. So it wants to stick to the brush. Next, I'll take Cosmic, which is another really light purple. I'm gonna put it in the center of my eye, kind of on the seam of where those two colors meet. Okay, I'm gonna take some of Nebula now. Ooh, I put it on the back of my hand and that's what it looks like. I think it looks really nice. I'm just gonna like tap it so I get a sparkle there. Just gonna take a little bit of Hot Mess. I'm gonna apply it here. Just gonna let it lift up into the crease slightly there on the outer corner only. Bit of that purple color again underneath. Ooh, then I'm gonna take Supermoon, which looks like that. When I put it on the back of my hand, it actually has like multicolored things in it. Like it's not just kind of white, but I can see yellow, gold, purple, and pink in there. So I'm gonna put some on this brush. See, this brush kind of has an angle to it, so I'm applying it flat like that, and then pushing it up in my arch. Okay, I'm gonna put mascara on. This is the Too Faced one, Better Than Sex. Okay, now I'm gonna apply bronzer because I want a Funkadelic highlighter on, so I wanna have bronzer on first. This is Hourglass. I love their bronzers. A lot of people might not because this particular one, Radiant Bronze Light, has like shimmer in it quite a lot, but I actually like how that looks. So I put it on, it looks too much, so I take my original foundation brush and go over that. It helps pare it back. Okay, now I'm gonna take Galaxy. Gonna dust it there and bring it down onto my cheekbone. Taking more of the light purple, I'm gonna start pulling it out past all that. Just like taking it a lot further than you normally would take an eyeshadow, just so it has that little editorial kind of smoke. And take it all out, right out there. Supermoon on the inner corner. Ooh, went all over my face, great. gonna take Galaxy instead, the highlight that I used. Cause yeah, Supernova is just too like glittery. Glittery. That's all out. That's all out. Love, 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 love. For blush, I'm gonna take Cover FX Pink Dahlia. I'll take the shimmery side and the matte side mixed. Okay, setting powder. This one's from Guerlain. It is the 01 Voyage Meteorites in 01 Mythic. It's probably a few years old. These are all like special edition ones, but they always come out with a new powder. I feel like it's just always the same like formula, but a different pretty packaging, so I love them. I'm so annoyed, this little pimple here, it was like fully healed and then I went to squeeze it and stuff did come out, but now it looks bad. I'm really annoyed at myself. I hate getting pimples like right near my mouth. It's like the most annoying place to get it because concealer wears off and stuff, you know? Okay, I'm gonna put lashes on. Maybe I'll wear some Huda lashes just in case she's there and she asks me, you know? I didn't want anything like too intense, and Huda lashes are often really intense, but these ones look pretty good. The Jacqueline 20. They even have little brown hairs in them, so they should be good. Just sucks because I have a cold, so it's a little bit risky to even put lashes on. You know what I mean, Jordan? Because if my eyes water, it's over for me. That's done. Good, right? Do we like it? It's a little bit out there, but it is like a kind of out there party. They said to dress in your best Galaxy outfit, so wait till you see my outfit. Then I'm gonna finish with She's Unapologetic from Patrick Tar. I love this lip color. It's like my favorite right now. Okay, so my makeup is done. I'm gonna color in my hairline, I'm gonna dry my hair, I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna get changed. So using my Clairol stuff to color in this patchy bit that shows all that white. See how it's like white? Well, I'm gonna cover that. I literally do this every single time I wash my hair. It helps make my forehead look smaller. It helps make my hair look thicker. It helps hide that white line from my foundation. It's just all around a good time. Really, I really appreciate this product. If you want, you can just kind of do that carefully so that the product, it's not as like harsh. This, by the way, is from Ugly Swan. It's like the best little thing ever. It dries your hair while you wear it, like it soaks it up because it's microfiber. I have two colors, I really like it. So good. This hairbrush, also by Ugly Swan, it doesn't pull your hair even when your hair's wet. It's amazing. I gave one to my sister-in-law and she has a 5- and 6-year-old, and I gave it to them maybe like 2 years ago now, but she was like, they never scream or cry now. Good brush. So I've got my bougie hair dryer. I'm gonna dry my hair, and obviously you won't be able to hear me do this, so I'm gonna fast forward it. I won't be speaking. It's about to get going. Okay, so, this is my outfit. So it is like a hazmat suit, like a jumpsuit that's made of a plasticky iridescent material. It's by Jonathan Simkai. So this is the look. Together I just wore simple gold earrings because it kind of reflects like a pale gold, kind of. So yeah, I thought that tied it all together. I'm not wearing any jewelry. I even forgot my wedding ring because I was spray tanning my hands earlier because it was like less tan on my hand than there. Let me show you the whole outfit, hold on. It's in the way. Still kind of in the way. Oh well, I need to do that so you can see. This is it. Isn't it cool? but out of this world in this thing because of the fabric. Really like it. I find jumpsuits quite like flattering. Play suits, not so much. Short ones don't look good on me. They've got to be like the full body. I like this one, how it cinches in here, and it's just so eye-catching. And apparently the venue that this party is at, I looked it up and I recognize it from like heaps of photo shoots and music videos, so it's gonna be really cool inside. So I think I'm even gonna bring you along to show you the fun event. Oh, and my shoes, how nice are they? Wait, let me show you properly because they're really nice. Aren't they nice? By Lana Wilkinson. Okay, so I'm just gonna drink the rest of my tea that Seba brought me. And then I'll just wait for my friends to come and I'll bring you along and film some from my phone so you guys can see the event. It's gonna be really cool. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the makeup and getting ready portion. Now let's go to the party and have some fun. We've arrived. From the event, we left at 10 p.m. when it ended. I got a goodie bag. I thought I'd show you what's in there before I say goodbye. So let's have a look inside. It's in this really cute iridescent backpack. Get everything out. So I got another palette. I got the brush kit. This is what the brushes come in. Can you see that? So that's really cute. I already have that as well. Mercury Retrograde. This is all about the product, obviously. This is a perfume. It's the Kayali perfume. I'm really excited for that because I didn't have that. And then I got these slippers. So they're like slides, fluffy slides. And then, what's this? The eyeliner. Really cool. So I already have this product. So if you guys want to win this, just leave a comment below and like the video. Make sure you're subscribed and I'll pick someone to win these three items because I already have them. So leave a comment and one of my faves, as in you guys, will win that. So as you guys know, I'm a bit ill. I managed to push through the party. I was there for about an hour and a half. It was really fun. I'm really happy I went. I don't feel very well though, so I'm gonna go take my makeup off and go straight to bed. And then hopefully this weekend I can get a good sleep. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.